Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to use mobile phone as wireless mouse and keyboard for computer. Follow these easy steps, then you'll be able to make your iPhone or Android phone a wireless mouse and keyboard for your computer. First of all, on your computer, open a browser and search for Monet, and all you have to need, open this Monet remote connectivity remote access link, and then we have to download this Monet software on our computer. So here's click on download and download the installer. Once downloaded, go to your file explorer and come to this download section, and here you'll find the PC remote setup. Double click on it to run the installer. Click on yes. Select a language and click on OK. Next, and I agree, and just click on install. And click on finish. And now all you have to need, click on your start menu, and here you will find this PC remote receiver. Just open PC remote receiver, and now we have to download PC remote on our mobile device. So on your mobile, open your App Store or Play Store, and now search for PC remote, and all you have to need, install this PC remote app on your device. Now launch PC remote. Tap on connect at the bottom right, and make sure your computer and mobile device are connected to a same Wi-Fi connection. And then here you will find your desktop. Just tap on your desktop, and now your phone and your computer will be connected. And now, as you can see, I'm controlling my computer from my mobile. As you can see, my cursor is moving now, and to open keyboard on your mobile, here you'll find keyboard icon. Just tap on your keyboard icon, and now I'm going to opening notes, and here let's type something from mobile. As you can see, I'm typing from my mobile. And to use your mouse again, just here you can easily drag your fingers to move your computer cursor like this. So this is how we can make our mobile phone wireless mouse and keyboard for our computer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.